Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm very happy to present for you a collaboration here, Zac Brown Band and Dolly Parton, alright? She's a legend, a hero, and still like a premium performance here from Dolly. Great voice there, and they do Butterfly together. Great song. And for this tutorial, this song I chose to play on my Anchor guitar here. This is a Dreadnought version called Eagle, a great guitar, full sound with this big body here. And I also got a coupon code for you if you want to have a guitar like this. Very affordable price already, but you can also get 10% off with Gordon Guitar on Anchor Guitar, so go check this one out and use my code. Now into this tutorial, we use no cable for this one, but we have a couple chords to go over, so let's start with those. We're gonna start with the C chord, so that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have a C-B chord. Now that is basically the bass goes down and follows a certain pattern here. You will understand that soon. So very similar to C. Now we have a B note in the bass, so that will be second fret A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And I use my mid finger on that second A string and my ring finger on that second D, just below. Why? Because then comes the next chord here and follows pretty natural. So this will be a C/A sharp, okay? So what you do now is to play this chord. It will be index finger on the first fret A string, and you keep that ring finger on the second D. So that's the reason for having the ring finger there on the C-B chord. So second fret D string on that note with the ring finger, and then still open G, and first B with my mid finger, and then open E. So that's the C-A. Then comes the F chord, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we also have the F minor. So the only difference there from F to F minor is to just take away this second fret G. And there you have the F minor, still that bar there. And yes, that's the F and F minor chord. Over to the G now. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We also got the A minor. And that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the E. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. And then we also have the A sharp sus version of it. So that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret. You push down 5 strings, so all strings except for the last E string here in the bass. And then you need to add third on D and third on G. And so far we have all the chords for the standard song, but then in the end the final chord goes up a little bit, and for that we need another chord setup here. So we're going to continue with D. Okay, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We also need the B minor, and that will be a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the second fret, 5 strings from bottom up. Then you need to add fourth fret D string. That's the correct 4th fret D, 4th fret G, and 3rd fret B. And then we also got the F sharp chord. That's still a bar chord. You place the index finger on the second fret, all strings this time, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. And one more chord, guys. That's a final chord. It's the G minor. And that's a bar chord where you have the index finger on this 3rd fret, all strings there, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. Alright, so a lot of chords here. I think I have like 12 chords or so. maybe 13, but hey, it's very simple to handle them. Let's go into that area now. If you grab the first chord C, we have the strumming pattern of 4 downs like this. Okay, and notice I'm playing on the bass strings for all these downs except from the 3rd down. I play on the higher strings, so it will be bass, bass, top, bass like this. So on my strumming hand here, I play on the bass strings 1, 2, and then on the higher strings on the 3rd, and back to bass on 4th. So in a context, it sounds like this. Alright, now let's start with the actual song. And the first verse goes C, 2 string rounds, then C B2, then the C A2, then F1 and F minor 1. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. So let's do a round together. C, C B, C A, F, and F minor. 2 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. Then over to the pre-chorus, like Reflections, I think that's where we are in the lyrics, and it's about 44 seconds in. That's the first pre-chorus, and you're gonna play the verse play for another round. So just the same there, C2, CB2, CA2, F1, F minor 1 for 1 round, and then we're gonna hit this first chorus, Butterfly, and that's where we are 56 seconds in. You're going to play C2, G2, A minor 2, F1, G1. That's the first half of it. Then you're going to play the second half, C2, then E2, A minor 2, F1, F minor 1. All that is 1 chord progression, and that's the only one you're going to play. So I'm going to play this for you, and I'm going to speak me while I'm doing that so you understand what's going on. Let's go. C2. G2, A minor 2, F1, G1, C2, E2, A minor 2, F1, F minor 1, and then you start all over again on this second round. So there you have the chorus. Now the second round, second verse, played exactly the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and actually the second chorus as well. So no changes there. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. We land now on the 2 minutes and 47 second mark. What you're going to play here now is the E2, then F2, C2, G2, then A minor 2, the A sharp sus version 2, F2, E1, and A1. And I can see now that I've probably forgot to mention the A chord as well, so I'm gonna give you that now. And it goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, so another chord to add to this chord rotation here. So that's the bridge part. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna play for you and speak me while I'm playing so you understand what's going on. Let's go. E2, F2, C2, and G2, A minor 2, A sharp 2, F2, E1, A1. All right. And that's the bridge part. And this strange final part of the bridge is because it builds up for the final chorus. And remember, it goes up here. They play or sing in a higher voice now. So that's the reason for having all of these chords. And we're going to come into that part right now. So you're going to play now D2, then A2, then B minor 2, then G1 and A1. Okay, that's the start. And we're gonna play like this. first half of it, and then the second half will be D2, then F sharp 2, then B minor 2, G1, G minor 1, and then you end on 1 down on the beautiful D, and it goes like this. And with that D, my friends, that is the end of Zac Brown Band and Dolly Parton's song, beautiful song called Butterfly. So a great collab there, and this is a song with many chords. Now I counted up to, I believe, 14 chords or so, but the handling is so easy. So once you learn them, then it's just pretty much straightforward. Good luck with this one, guys, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please feel free to support me here. I work hard for you guys, so I appreciate like a thumb up or something else there, a comment or so for future motivation. Thank you so much, and play tuned.